We are Northern Stage, a theatre based in the heart of Newcastle city centre. We make ambitious and adventurous theatre and support people of all ages to take part in creative activities. We also support the next generation of theatre makers to develop their skills and keep our creative industry thriving. Right now we're looking for young trustees aged 18 to 25 to join our board to help develop the direction of everything we do here at Northern Stage.
A trustee is someone who leads a charity, working with the executive to seek to fulfil the charity's aims and goals. Trustees bring their skills and experience that they've developed to help the charity do what it needs to do. Charities in the UK have an average age of trustees of about 57. Now, charities are there to serve the whole of society, so it really shouldn't be just older people who are involved in the governance. Here at Northern Stage, we believe that younger people being involved as trustees will really help us make sure that we are truly inclusive and helping everybody in society, not just part of it.
As a trustee, you would have a say in the direction a charity like Northern Stage should take, as well as how we can best serve people across the North East. It could be challenging but also very rewarding. By being a trustee, you'll develop new skills and you'll be helping to lead an organisation that is a big part of the life of this city. We'd like to invite you to come along to Northern Stage on Wednesday 20th of March from 5 to 7 p.m. You can find out more about what's involved in being a trustee and you'll get to talk informally to some of our current board members. There's more details on our website.